Appa, there's no space.
Yeah, beta. Anyway, I'm not going to jump off this bridge. No way.
Papa, can you overtake like that on a curb?
Ideally, no, beta. You should not.
Papa, the bike!
Don't worry. I saw him, beta. I saw him. Hello, friends. Welcome to Drive Safe. Scenarios like this are very common in India. And today's episode is about how to drive safely. I call it the ABCDs of driving in India. The first A is assess. Here I saw the dogs on the road, so I wanted to be careful. I anticipated some trouble because of the doggies, but thankfully nothing happened. And I'm here assessing through the windshield of the venue ahead of me, right? And I knew it was clear, so I went along with him and overtook the truck. And here, as I was getting close to overtaking this white car on the left, I noticed another car coming onto the road. And I thought that might make this Nexon change his lane, and I slowed down for that. And exactly that's what he had to do because of the EcoSport suddenly coming onto the road. So that was assess and anticipate. And B is for BP and BHP. So be patient. So scenarios like this are very common on our roads. There will be chaos at some times, but you just have to stay there patiently. And as and when the road opens up, you slowly drive on when it is clear for you. Now here I know that my car has more BHP than this venue top end, which is probably about 120 BHP, but then it's still not clear for me to overtake. So I wait for my chance. I look at the road, and when I know that the road is clear, I confidently go ahead and overtake, and then I get back into my left lane. The other C is for considerate. Now look at this I-20. He goes on to his right lane. There's not much gap between those two vehicles, but he decides to cut across in front of the Alto. Right, when I relearned my driving in the UK, I was told that if I make somebody else swerve, brake, or take evasive action, then automatically I will fail my test. I will have to redo my test all over again, just like this two-wheeler who has made me suddenly slam my brakes. Now here look at this Sumo. His assessment is wrong, his anticipation is wrong, so I become very defensive, which means I want to be safe. I stay a good safe distance away from him. I don't go anywhere near him, and I continue like this so that I don't get into any sort of trouble. Here look at this Etios. He's ahead of me. I'm keeping my distance. I know it's not clear for me to overtake, so I'm still waiting for my turn. I keep the distance same. I don't go anywhere close towards him. And then as I keep driving, I wait for him to decide whether he's going to go straight or change lane. When it's clear for me that he's not going to change his lane, I just go ahead and overtake. Right? And here, I was doing a fault by trying to overtake on a curve. That was wrong. And I saw the truck coming fast. So immediately I decided that it was not safe. Now this is decision once you make, you need to quickly stick to it. It was not at all safe for me to go ahead. So I had to cut across to the left. Now another scenario here. This was in Bangalore, I think. So here I was trying to overtake this bus on the left. And then suddenly I noticed there's a two-wheeler that has stopped. Now ideally I should have stopped, braked, go behind the bus, and then only come out. But then I knew that this was on an incline. I could hear the bus driver just trying to change his gear, and so I decided that I could speed up and go. But given a second chance, I would not do this, because I think as per the UK standards, I have already failed here. Right, here one more scenario we'll look at. So here as I drive, there's a truck and a Desire coming. There's no place actually for both of us. So this gentleman's anticipation was completely wrong, and he would be given a fail as well. Right, so here I'm trying to overtake this truck. Then I accelerate. As I go ahead, I see this mini auto here. I become a bully. I go close to him, and only then I notice the other auto. So here my assessment was wrong. I was being impatient. I was being inconsiderate by making the auto brake, and I didn't keep my distance. So I have failed. Now here I'm behind this beat. I don't generally like overtaking from the left, so I wait, and then I see he's straddling between two lanes. So again, I just become defensive. I just want him to make up his mind what he wants to do, and once it is clear and he goes on his lane, then I decide to go ahead and overtake. So D was about being defensive, distanced, and decisive. Now here another scenario. I thought the Tata car might come into my lane, and exactly that's what he does. So my anticipation was correct, and then I keep my distance. I stay patient. I look at the left lane, and without being inconsiderate to others, when the road is clear, I go ahead and confidently overtake. Now these ABCDs have to be always assessed together. Which one do I find it the most difficult? For me, it is patience. I mean, only now have I learned to be sort of considerate and not get unnecessarily angry. You can call me old, a Buddha, whatever, but that is what I have learned. So do comment, do like and share this video. And if you feel like it, please do subscribe to my channel. Until we meet again in our next video, let's all continue to drive safe and be safe. Goodbye.